In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change wallpaper in WhatsApp Web. By the end, you'll know exactly how to personalize your chat background on your computer so your conversations feel a little more you. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer and search for WhatsApp Web. You can use any modern browser, and a stable internet connection will make this quick and smooth. If you're already familiar with the web version, you can go straight to the official site. Otherwise, searching for it is perfectly fine. When the page loads, you'll see a QR code on the screen along with the option to log in using your phone number if that's available in your region. The fastest method is scanning the QR code. On your phone, open WhatsApp and look for the option to link a device, then use your phone's camera to scan the code shown in the browser. If you choose the phone number method, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the login. Make sure your phone is connected to the internet and allow camera access if you're scanning. Once the code is recognized or your number is verified, your chats will load in the browser. With WhatsApp Web open, look toward the top of your chat list on the left side. You'll find either a three-dot menu icon or a small gear icon. Click that to open the settings menu. The exact icon can vary slightly depending on updates, but it's always in that top area above your conversations. In the menu, select Chat, then choose Wallpaper. This takes you to the Wallpaper customization area, where you can adjust how your chat background looks across WhatsApp Web. You'll see a selection of solid color tiles. Click any color to instantly preview how it appears behind your messages. Take a moment to try a few options. Lighter colors can feel clean and airy, while deeper tones can add contrast that makes text easier to read. The preview helps you decide without committing, so don't hesitate to experiment until something feels right. Below the color options, you'll notice a checkbox for Add WhatsApp Doodles. Turning this on adds a faint, playful pattern to the background. Turning it off keeps the color completely flat. If you prefer a minimalist look, leave it unchecked. If you want a bit of texture without distraction, enable it and see how it looks with your chosen color. That's it. Your new wallpaper applies across chats on WhatsApp Web for your view only, and you can revisit these settings anytime to change the color or toggle the doodles as your mood or theme changes. Enjoy your refreshed chat experience.